Alright guys, what's happening here? Got this, this is a vertical grain Douglas slab that I've been working on here. And we got one glue joint that was a little bit too high. So, can't run it through the planer because this is 24 inches wide. It's 8 feet long. It's going to be a waterfall bench. We're making 8 of these for a company in Dallas. So, I wanted to share this because I get asked a lot. Guys that know me know that I really am an advocate for these old hand planes. This is an old Stanley No. 7, but it's got a hot cutter in it. And when it comes to leveling out slabs, everybody talks about the router sleds and all that stuff, and you know, that's great. But learning how to use one of these, you can see how much room it takes up in the shop, right? And before they had electricity, this is how they used to do it. And if you know how to use this and you can tune it up well, and this isn't, you know, by any means right here, this isn't anything high tech, but it needs to get flattened out. So it's got high spots right through here. So here's how we do it. We start, it's an 8-foot slab, start back here, going across the grain, and you can see it, you can hear it. It's not, those are the high spots that cutter's hitting. You go at an angle across the high area this way. So like mowing the lawn here. Okay, we'll just go all the way across and then just back again. Just overlapping each one. You can hear it's not grabbing quite as much now. So just in a couple of passes, we're taking off quite a bit off of that high spot. Now, there's nothing saying that you can't use these along with your power tools. That's what I do. I'm going to swing this up, and then I'll probably, now I'm going with the grain this time, going back to the last pass. And this will clean it up and knock all the tool marks off. But you can see how long this takes. How many of you guys could have had your stop what you're doing and set up your router sled to get this knocked out before you cut the miters for the legs? This is going to be a, like I said, a waterfall sled, so it's just like, you know, mowing the lawn, just overlapping each one all the way down. Just clean it up, take a real fine shavings here. Okay, so that's 3 passes on it in just this amount of time that I was talking to you. And just feeling this, it's pretty flat now, so I'm going to take out my sander and sand it up, smooth back again to about 80 grit before we cut the legs and glue up the miters for the waterfall bench. But I just wanted to show this with you guys real quick because I get asked about these hand planes a lot. And nobody really seems to believe how quick and efficient they really are. But if you learn how to flatten that out and clean it up and tune it up well and set it properly, it'll flatten a slab like this out in minutes, literally. All right, you guys have a great day.